Hey everyone, welcome to week 28. So this week we are starting at 8:13 and we're going to end at 8:17. So you should be up to book 10. You should have written book 10 at this point. So remember, each time that you go in, all right, we are going to, there's a very short side lesson that kind of talks about some of the major things or major what we call literary devices and elements that can be found in literature, all right? So in this case, we are going to be talking about the nymphs and the sorceress in the island of Aina. And again, this follows right along. So what they're going to be doing is they're going to be talking about Circe and whether or not she was a goddess or a witch and kind of how that can be found throughout literature. Now, I just wanted to highlight one thing. When we look at section 3, again, we are reading book 11. After you read that, I want you to click here for the study guide. It's very important that you complete these study guides because this kind of helps you understand the entire story. And all of these study guide worksheets can be found at the end of every single unit. And you're going to be needing this when you take your final exam on this because it does cover the entire book from beginning to end. And again, I do want to just reiterate, you are more than welcome to listen to this story on YouTube, all right? So that website is unblocked. You can put it on 1.5, which will read it a little bit quicker and follow along, okay? Within that book, all of the pronunciations are correct, and it'll certainly help you down the road for overall understanding, okay? So each of these always ends with a study guide, and I encourage you to do those. So this week again, you're going to be doing 8.13 all the way to 8.17. So if we kind of take a look at that real quickly, what that means is that when we get into, oops, I'm in the wrong chapter altogether. So we're going to be looking at 8:13. You're going to talk about the dead. Now, 15 is a quiz, just to kind of give you a brief overview. So here's matching, so make sure you know all of these people. Multiple choice, why doesn't Odysseus kill Polyphemus when he has the chance? So here we are talking about a drop down. More matching, or more multiple choice, multiple choice, multiple choice. All right, so fill in the blanks. So again, all of these can be found within that. Now here's a quote. They want to know who said it and why, so make sure that you know the characters in this. Multiple choice, multiple select, and again, here is another matching exercise. And a lot of these you're going to see over and over again because they're central to the story. So on this one, these are all multiple choice, fill in the blank, true, false. There are no longer essay questions, all right? So that would be the 15, all right? So, and you're more than welcome to, take those twice, and then each of these lessons you can take 3 times. And then, this is going to get us close to the end of the unit, all right? And again, after that, we're going to cover Romeo and Juliet, and then we're going to do the final review and the final exam, and then we're done. I do want to do a live session for the review, which will be coming up very shortly. So any questions, I want you guys to reach out to me. Please let me know if you have any questions. I am here to help. So, all right, thanks a lot, and let me know if you need anything.